Squirrels, look at it everywhere. Look at all the squirrels. Look at all the squirrels. See what happens? I ran out of pecans. Yeah, guys, I've been throwing peanuts down. I've been throwing peanuts, guys. Who's that? Oh, Stormy, here you go. Last pecan, Stormy girl. Yeah, Stormy. Alright. Alright, guys, 1 second, guys. 1 second. Oh. 1 second, guys. Let me see if I can get some stuff together here. Yeah. What you guys doing? What you guys doing, huh? What you guys doing? Yeah, yeah. Go get it. Oh, who's that there? 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second, guys. You see, we've spent so much on pecans. We don't have as many anymore. So we've been putting out a lot of sunflower seeds and peanuts, which we know, people yell and scream, and peanuts are not good for squirrels. Yeah, but, us humans also eat a lot of things that are not the best for us. So, we're just helping out. Squirrels' average lifespan is 2 years, although we have a few here that have lived 5 or 6 years. So we give them what we can. The peanuts right there. Yeah. I threw some down here. Who's that? I got 3 pecans on me. Oh my God, bouncing all over the place. Yeah, I know. I saw him bouncing all over. Yeah, I'll avoid you. I'll avoid you. Yeah, guys.
Oh, hey, Smiley. Oh, you look scruffy.
There's a lot of them, huh?
I'm sorry, Mommy. Oh, there you go.
Look at all the squirrels. Look at all the squirrelies. Mama's throwing them out.
Okay, I got you there.
And see, the squirrels have been spoiled with all these pecans that we had donated to us. So, they're still spoiled because they're getting tons of food here. Maybe not as many pecans, but we're working on it. We're hopeful to get some more pecans in the middle of December. But right now it's actually pecan season, so it's kind of their prime season. So we gotta wait until they kind of go through and figure out which ones are not really sellable. And those are the ones they'll donate to us. I mean, they're still edible, Oh, who's that? Who's that there? Who's that? Go get yourself one. Who's that? Who's that? Yeah. Is that you, Stormy?
That might be Buddy.
Yeah, I think it is. Here. Here. Hey, buddy. Oh, it might have been Speedy. I think it was Speedy. He went that way. Yeah, he went that way.
Lost some weight. Must have had babies. Or lost babies.
I see the squirrels are everywhere. I'm gonna have to pick up some more pecans today. We do have some coming in the mail. I have to try to find some. Trying to do it in moderation. But, I mean, it's crazy. The pricing of pecans right now is the highest it'll be all year. So, even getting the cheaper ones is still $4.50 a pound. If you get them in the off season, you get them for $3 a pound. But now it's peak season, so. And I've been sick. Last few days, I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better. Caught some kind of bug, but luckily, maybe just a couple of days. I was just sick Sunday, yesterday. It feels like it's leaving. Hopefully, that's the case. Overcast this morning. You see, my nose is so stuffed up I can barely speak. Oh, there goes Mama up there. Almost got her in. So I was putting him out up there. Laying down the peanuts. Who's that?
I don't know. I can't see from.
Come here. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, there you go.
There you go. What you guys want? Yeah.
I'll be back in a second.
Mm-hmm.
There's
Yeah.
some more for your pocket.
All right, I still got 2 on me. I'll see if I can get any today. I'll try McDonough. Look at all these guys. They're surrounding me. Sweet pea. Yeah. Right down there, we got a little mosh pit there. Yeah. Yeah. You guys don't see it. Right here. Right here. Walnuts. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. There you go. Go get it. Right there, we got walnuts. Almonds and walnuts. Come on, Speedy. Who's that? Speedy. Speedy, come on. Speedy. Come here. Speedy's a favorite. There you go. Who's that? Who's there looking at me? Is that you, Sweet Pea? Come on, Sweet Pea, I got one for you. There you go. You get a peanut. You get a variant. You okay? You okay, buddy? Come on, guys. Okay, here. Who's that? Speedy, you got a few already. You got to take some from there. There you go. All right. See all the squirrels? Look at them. Still all over the place. Oh, is that little fella? Yeah, I got to give him one. Here. Here, little fella. Here. Little fella. He's a little bully, but we get him. All right, I got 2 pecans left, guys. Who is that? Is that you, Sophie? Yeah. Can you get something over there in the mosh pit? Yeah. No? Yeah. There you go. All right, last one. Here, I gotta go in. All right, guys, gotta go in and get ready. All right, you got food right there. I'm gonna put them up there. There's plenty of food out there, guys. Just not the pecans that we love. We gotta get some more. All right, guys.